At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, June 28, 2023, why Abu Dhabi's bet on NIO stock is a case of colorblind optimism? One large-scale investor is seeing green flags for NIO, but they should be seeing red. An investment vehicle that's majority owned by the government of Abu Dhabi is placing a huge bet on NIO stock. This doesn't negate NIO's problems, including the company's declining vehicle margin. Investors shouldn't be tempted to buy NIO stock now. Here's a fresh development in the clean energy vehicle space. Reportedly, a government-associated fund is taking a large stake in China-based electric vehicle manufacturer NIO, NIO. Prospective investors should certainly pay attention to this news item. Yet, it's not a sufficient reason to buy NIO stock in 2023. As we'll discuss in a moment, a similar fund took a large share position in another EV maker, Lucid Group. So far, that investment hasn't worked out very well. I suspect that the same story will play out for NIO's current shareholders, with a hope-fueled beginning and an unhappy ending. What government is making a huge investment in NIO stock? So, here's the scoop. As reported by Louis Nivelier and the Investor Place research staff, CYVN Holdings, an investment vehicle that's majority owned by the government of Abu Dhabi, agreed to invest $738.5 million in NIO stock. I'm already seeing problems with this. CYVN Holdings agreed to purchase 84,695,543 NIO shares at $8.72 apiece. As I'm writing this, the NIO share price is $8.43. Could this be the start of a deeper drawdown? For a parallel comparison, let's consider what happened after Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, the Public Investment Fund, added a nearly $1 billion position in Lucid stock. That happened in late 2022, when the Lucid share price was near $6.50. Since then, it has declined to around $5.50. The bear case for NIO hasn't gone away. Now, the government of Abu Dhabi appears to be making a similar mistake. The red flags surrounding NIO haven't disappeared just because a government-backed fund is a major shareholder. Just to recap, NIO's EV deliveries have diminished from 10,378 in March to 6,658 in April, followed by 6,155 in May. Furthermore, NIO's revenue declined 33.5% sequentially in 2023's first quarter. Additionally, NIO posted a first quarter of 2023 net earnings loss of 42 cents per American depositary share. This fell short of the analyst consensus estimate of a loss of 22 cents per American depositary share. Plus, NIO's result was notably worse than the loss of 18 cents per American depositary share that the company reported in the year-earlier quarter. Making matters worse, there's an unsettling trend with NIO's vehicle margin. In particular, NIO's vehicle margin has shrunk from 18.1% in 2022's first quarter to 6.8% in the fourth quarter of that year. Then, it deteriorated even further to just 5.1% in first quarter of 2023. Don't be in a rush to buy NIO stock. All in all, I concur with the assessment of Louis Nivelier and the Investor Place research staff. Should you invest in NIO because the government of Abu Dhabi did? Frankly, this should have zero impact for now on your decision to buy, sell, avoid NIO stock. There was a parallel situation with Saudi Arabia's public investment fund buying a big chunk of Lucid stock. Half a year later, that investment is in the red. I suspect that the government of Abu Dhabi will also experience disappointing results with its large-scale investment in NIO. All in all, since the automaker's operational and financial results aren't great, I don't recommend buying NIO stock now. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.